In our first episode, we tracked the signal to Paran. But every great protocol has a core, a central hub where the data is processed. For thousands of years, a single word in the Hebrew Psalms has acted as a geographic glitch. A valley mentioned once, then seemingly forgotten. Welcome to the BACA code. We are about to look at a dry valley through the lens of modern logistics. And what we find is not a miracle, but a masterpiece of ancient engineering and divine foresight. Let's open the file. Psalm 84:6. Passing through the Valley of Baca, they make it a place of springs. For centuries, theologians called this a valley of weeping, a metaphor for sorrow. But look at the Semitic root BKA. In ancient botany and geography, it refers to the balsam tree, a plant that thrives in dry, rocky terrain by weeping resin. This isn't a metaphor, it's a biological marker. When we overlay this marker onto the geography of the Hijaz, the Valley of Baca aligns perfectly with the ancient name of Mecca, Baca. The text says they make it a place of springs. This is a logistical upgrade. Mecca, historically a barren valley, became the only functional hub in a lethal desert. How? Through a precise hydrological miracle, the well of Zamzam. From a mechanical standpoint, a sustainable water source in a hyper-arid V-shaped valley is the ultimate strategic asset. It transformed a dead zone into a global data hub, a meeting point for the world's caravans. But why Baca? Why not Jerusalem or Rome? The BACA code reveals a global reset. By placing the final hub in an uncultivable valley, the system ensured that its power wasn't based on agriculture or trade routes alone, but on a spiritual frequency. The springs mentioned in the Psalms are not just water. They are the flow of information, people, and the fiery law we discovered in Paran. It's the world's first decentralized center. The Valley of Baca was never a place of sorrow. It was a geographic anchor. The Psalms predicted its transformation. The Quran confirmed its name, and history witnessed its rise. If the map matches the text, and the text matches the history, then we are not looking at religion. We are looking at a pre-programmed reality. The signal is clear. The hub is active. The code of Baca is just the first layer. To understand why this coordinate was activated, we must trace the legal movement of the signal's first guardians. Next, we go into the well and the wilderness. This is the Paran protocol.